everyone, welcome to my channel Educare. Today we discuss about the nature and scope of education. Education is a lifelong process. Education is a continuous and lifelong process. It starts from the womb of the mother and continues till death. শিক্ষা এক জীৱনব্যাপী চলি থকা প্ৰক্ৰিয়া। Education is a systematic process. It refers to transact its activities through a systematic institution and regulation. শিক্ষা হৈছে এটা সুপৰিকল্পিত প্ৰক্ৰিয়া। Education is modification of behavior. Human behavior is modified and improved through educational process. আচৰণৰ সংশোধন স্বৰূপে শিক্ষা। Education is a training. Human senses, mind, behavior, activities, skills, and train in a constructive and socially desirable way. Education is life. Education is meaningless and like the life of a beast. Education is a three-dimensional process. The process of education consists of three poles: the teacher, the student, and the social environment. Scope of education. Number 1. Educational philosophy. Philosophy of education covers aims of education, nature of education, importance of education, functions of education, etc. Number 2. Educational psychology. Psychology helps to understand the child better and development of child with respect of physical, mental, emotional, social, etc. Another one, educational sociology. A child lives in the society, so it's important for him to know about the society, the nature of society, types of society, etc. Another one, economics of education. For the growth of business and market, the world-class economical education is important for each and every person. Next number, method of teaching. In ancient time, the people were passive listeners, but now they actively participate with the teacher in the process of education. Another one, problems of education. The scope includes problems of teaching management of education and also suggestion and remedies for it. আজিলৈ মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টি ইমানেই। আপোনালোকে যদি মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টি চাই ভাল পাইছে, প্লিজ লাইক, কমেণ্ট এণ্ড ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব আৰু লগতে বেল আইকনটো দবাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। থেংক ইউ।